Okay guys, so here we go again. I'm answering the SecIO quiz for today. Now guys, if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, ensure what you subscribe and drop me a thank you in the comment section, because I always post the quiz answers daily and I save you the stress and give you the correct answers. So now before you enter this quiz, ensure what you watch their video on YouTube, because after watching the video, that's when you'll be able to start the quiz. So quickly now, let's head straight into the answers now immediately. They say now crypto safety tips you haven't heard of. Now number one, this is it. If something feels suspicious in crypto, what should you do? Now this is the answer. This is the answer is this: trust your instincts and investigate. Then the next one is what? What's a good rule of thumb about unfamiliar links? Now this is it. What's a good? This is it. Don't click them unless you are sure that they are safe. Now the last one is, how can you celebrate a new crypto investment? This is the answer: privately without posting it online. So that's it. We'll tap on check, and that's it. We got our answers correctly. Then the next thing for us to do is claim. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.